jump to light speed and go down in history, 'cause we're going on an adventure today in a galaxy far, far away. A long time ago, when these stories were first told, we did not get a new one every year. I know they say good things will come to those who wait, and that is true, but now we're here. Give me another one, better than the last one. Give me another one, and another reason to say we're going on an adventure today in a galaxy far, far away. Another story to tell, another movie ticket to sell. So let's make the jump to light speed and go down in history, 'cause we're going on an adventure today in a galaxy far, far away. So who is next? I don't know, but maybe Boba Fett or Obi-Wan or Darth Maul. So many legends that you could make canon easily, but I don't care, let's just do them all. Let's just do them all. So give me another one and another reason to say we're going on an adventure today in a galaxy far, far away. Another story